I'm Sienna here at the new DIY kitchen showroom in Yorkshire, and I'm pleased to announce the launch of our new True Handleless range of kitchens. True Handleless is available in the following door styles: Cento, Menet, Verona, Sienna, Palazzo and Palazzo Gloss. There are also 5 profile colours to choose from: Anthracite, Silver, Black, Copper and Brass. This allows you to create a personal colour and material combination unique to you. To order True Handleless, you'll need to design your kitchen on our free online kitchen planner. Because True Handleless is a little bit more complicated to plan than a standard kitchen, this gives us time to check that everything's right while still giving you the freedom to design your own kitchen. So if you haven't done so already, why not plan a visit to our new showroom to view this fantastic range, or visit DIYkitchens.com for further information.